Taking all of your sandwich apart. What, are you just licking the jelly off? What are you doing? You like a jelly?
Look at Daddy.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Just delicious a bit.
Delicious a bit? A little bit delicious?
What's this?
Delicious jelly?
That's Daddy.
Jams and jellies.
Sure.
How about you stick them back together?
Look, it's sticky.
Yeah, it's really sticky. That's why you should leave them together. Let's see if I can. That one goes to that one. That one goes to that one. I don't think that's right. We're missing some pieces. Here. Oh, your fingers are gross. Don't just lick it. You gonna eat your green beans?
No.
No.
I just didn't.
You love green beans. They're your favorite.
It's favorite.
Yeah, because they're delicious.
Hot.
No, it's not hot, silly.
Hot.